Respiratory system. Pagsubok sa mikropono, 3, 2, 1.
Pagsubok sa mikropono, 3, 2, 1.
Ayusin mo!
Maayos.
Sumasahing papawid. Mula sa bayan ng lalawigan ng Zambales. Ito ang RMTV 88. Laging numero 1 sa balita.
BNMB.
Serbisyong may kasiguraduhan. Yeah. Programang maaasahan. I love you more than I can say. So ayun nga guys, at talaga ngayon na magre-review na kami. Kasi mula na natin ang pagre-review sa Earth and Life Science.
Yung bulletin board natin.
So yan nga pala guys, dahil wala talaga kaming bawal talaga kasi kami magkawit ng mga bulletin board dito sa room na ito. Kaya napag-isipan, ito na rin para mga, question, impromptu.
Bakit wala kang kwentang presidente?
Kasi nandiyan ka. Oh my God, ikaw ang hadlang sa pagkamit ng kapayapaan, ng kapangyarihan, ng kalakasan in we must implement the unity and diversity. BRESIMBN of the United States of America. And I take it.
Where were you nung nagta-trending ang nasa ng presidente?
What?
Where were you nung nagta-trending yung nasa ng presidente?
Movement in Twitter.
Ano, nasaan ako nung nasaan ang presidente? I am the president. I know where I am. And you should, it is, if
Bakit
you
hindi ka
don't-
mag-show up sa hard time?
Like, what hard times? Our pulse right now is doing good. Our global stability, oh my gosh, crime rates are very low right now because it is under my term, my first term. And if you vote me for my second term, I will make
Political dynasty.
every crime exclude.
Why should the people vote for you?
Why should the people vote for me? Is it hard to predict that I am currently the president-elect of the United States of America, and together we will rise. Together, divided we fall. Together we climb to the top of the world. We can build what we want for the world to see, because we are the children of yesterday dreams.
What are your credentials?
My credentials, I was the Mr.
Mr. Kidiland, nutritionist.
Yes, best in Filipino, best in Pakyo. As of now, my credentials, as you can see, it is evidently you can see it evidently. If you don't, then you're blind. Like her. Nakasalamin na nga, naglalagay pa ng tubig sa mata kasi dry niya.
Hello, may lumalabas sa kanya. Can you say about Vice President Sara Duterte?
Oh, the President of the Philippines? I don't care. That's not my field. The Vice President of the Philippines? I don't care. We are at the soil of we are at the American soil. If she is here, I will.
Ay, Amerika pala.
Oo, kaya nga nag-English ako eh. Please make your question
Clear and concise.
relevant to this State of the Union address. What is this? You are only asking for my personal information. You are not asking how the world is doing, how the world is facing this momentous, this global climate change. We must focus on this. The advocacy for the environment should step up. As they should.
What are your future plans for this country?
As of now, I said, as of now, this is a State of the Union address.
Fine, as of now, what are your plans?
As of now, yes, actually, the global climate change, we must focus on it. We must focus on building building renewable energy, what is this? Alternative sources of energy. Hindi yung sa kanya ka sumasaya, hindi yung sa kanya ka nagpapacharge, hindi siya yung social butterfly. Thank you.
What is your platform? What are you fighting for? What do you want to
For
prove?
my rights. For our rights. For everybody's rights. For everyone. For the society rights. For the civil rights. And I believe, I am certain that silence means yes.
She's not speaking. Can you speak?
Oh my God!
Para siyang may laser eyes.
Jason!
Jason!
Critic pa ba yan?
Jason!
Ito mo siya ano? Mom!
Yun yung kinakanta niya.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Brought the hit back.
Can you sing it? One, two.
Mukha akong singit.
Pwede.
I don't wanna know, no. What is love?
Ano ba?
Nice catch. Uy, ano yun? Umuwi ka na nga, Riggs. Uy. Nakasabo natin. Here you go. 1, 2. Ayan, totoo. Ganyan yan.
Oh, bilis. Oh.
Shakat.
Fight me.
Hala. Hala. Di mo ba ako lilisanin? Di ba rin dapat papapahirap sa'kin? Di ba naman mamamamaya pa?
Nice work, Sarge.
Sarge? Mayabang di na makalaya. Gr- Uy, ano naman yun? Uy! Daisy! Ah! Uy! Ayaw mo nga magpabasa! Nang pa-flash na naman siya! Uy! Uy! Daisy! Daisy! Nakapicture! Uy, alalim! Tanga! Ah!